Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. 3A asks, select the coordinates for each point. So we're just going to do one of them together and then you'll be on your own to do points B and C. But if we're talking about point A, to get to point A, we would go over 4 and down 3. So that would be 4, -3. Now you'll finish up and you'll put down the points on your piece of paper for point B, put down on your piece of paper point C. Now when you get to question 3B, it says, if triangle ABC is reflected over the x-axis, select the reflected coordinates for each point. So in other words, we're reflecting each point. Now we're going to do point A together. Now whatever axis you're reflecting over, which in this case is the x-axis, that's what you're going to keep the same. So we're going to keep all of these coordinates. I'm just going to copy the 4 so I don't make a mistake. And then we change the other coordinate, which in this case is the y, to its opposite. So what's the opposite of this? It would be a 3. Now, if we went ahead and plotted that, if we went over 4 and up 3, that would put us right here for point A. And they would be equally distant from the line, right? This is 3 units away, and so is this, right? It's a reflection. You'll do the same thing for points B and C. All right, now what about 3C? What are they asking? It says a triangle ABC, so that's this original triangle, is reflected over the y-axis. Select the reflected coordinates for each point. So if reflecting over the y-axis, that means we keep the y term the same. So the same would be a -3, and we change the x to its opposite. So this is a 4. The opposite of that would be -4. Now if I plot that and I go left 4, down 3, that puts me right here. This would be A reflected over the y-axis. So the y-axis is this line right here. We would want our A's to be on opposite sides, and they should be the same distance from the y line. So if I count how far away this is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. We want to make sure that we're 4 units on this side as well, and we are. They're both 4 units away from the y line. So you're going to do the same kind of thing for points B and C, and that will be your reflection. We would read this as A prime, B prime, C prime. Write your ordered pairs down on your piece of paper. Once you have them on your piece of paper, then you can go to the Google form and make sure you pick very carefully the correct ordered pairs.